Hi, I am Patrick Ta, professional makeup artist and brand owner. I am going to be showing you guys how to recreate this tropical inspired makeup look on my assistant Olivia Madormer today. So keep on watching. I'm going to be using the Sakura and Sage Vegan Eyeshadow Palette, and I am going to be using the color Dawn as my transition color. And I'm just going to slowly put this into the eyeshadow crease. So this is going to give me like this monochromatic look that I love. Now I'm going to take a clean brush and then just blend this product up in and out into the crease. So I'm going to put a little bit of this Dawn color just like right onto the cheeks as well. This is my Major Beauty Headlines blush, and put this just like right onto the apples of the cheeks. I'm gonna take the bigger side of the Beauty Blender and damp it onto the back of my hand, just so I wanna make sure that there's not too much product. And then I'm gonna apply this just like right onto the skin. This is Tarte C Surfer Curl. I really like the wand on this. I feel like whenever I'm looking for a mascara, I look for mascara wands that aren't too big, but like they can really like comb out each hair. So now I'm gonna do the eyebrows. I'm gonna use my Major Brow in the color Clear. So you wanna spray about 2 pumps of a setting spray, and then you wanna activate the product by just putting your spoolie into the product. And if you have thicker hair, you wanna make sure that you really just coat all the hair with this product, and then we're gonna be able to like laminate it. So I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. So this is a waterproof liner. And I'm just gonna basically just line the outer end of the lash, like working with my way. And then I'm just gonna basically connect the bottom waterline. And then I'm gonna go back in with my Sakura and Sage eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna take this dark brown. I'm just taking an angled brush and just putting this just like right onto the eyeliner. I want it to look a little bit lighter, a little bit more smudged out, a little bit more natural, a little bit more like tropical. But the black is going to give me a really nice base, so it gives me that depth that I need. So I'm going to take this shadow stick from Beauty For Real, and this is a really nice like highlight. I'm going to put a little bit of this just like right into the inner corner of the eye, just to kind of like brighten up the inner corners, just so it's making you look a little bit more awake. This is the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Glazed Donut. Right onto the high points of the cheekbones. Wow, that looks so pretty. A little bit onto the peak of the forehead, and then right onto the bridge of the nose above the lips. This is my Major Beauty Headlines Precision Lip Rayon. So this is in the color She's Not From Here. So I always like to start from the center of the lips, working my way to the perimeter. If you ever want to overdraw your lips, I always like recommend drawing right at the Cupid's bow and right at the center, just giving your lips like that really nice pout. And then same thing on the bottom, just overdrawing towards the center, always trying to follow the lip line when we get like towards the outer. Whenever I am doing a bold lipstick, I would like to fill in the whole entire lip with lip liner, because I think it just makes the lips last longer. So this is my Major Beauty Headlines lipstick in the same shade. All the lip liners, 1 to 2 shades darker than the actual lipstick. So this is a suede matte, so it's not too dry, it's not too shiny. It's like just like the perfect in between, but there's a lot of pigment in these bullets. I'm going to put on a little bit more blush, but this is in the shade She's So LA. This is like a bronzer slash blusher. I'm gonna put a little bit just like right onto the peak of the nose. So now I'm gonna take the El Maquillage brow pencil. This is in the color Espresso. I'm just gonna fill in any sparse areas that you may have, and I'm just gonna try to go in like hair stroke motions. Some setting spray, and just melt everything into the face. I hope you guys love the tropical makeup inspired look. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think below.